Hi there, and welcome to the Ultimate Making Money Online Crash Course. This is a video coaching program I have put together to help you in your journey to make money online. Now, it can be a long road to success, but if you stick with it, you can have the lifestyle you want because of the money you'll be making. So first things first, there are literally thousands of different ways to make money online. You can join an MLM program and make money by selling the products in the program and recruiting others to do the same thing. You can become an affiliate for a product and promote it. When you make sales, you get paid a commission. You can create and sell your own products and get affiliates to promote them for you. You can create and sell content like articles, ebooks, videos, software, and the like. You can provide different services like traffic services, blog services, virtual assistant services, and a ton of other ones, okay? And as you see, you have a lot of options. It's up to you, though, to decide what it is that you're going to do and stay focused on it. You can't do it all, and you shouldn't try either. So from what I've given you so far, decide on something you want to do to earn money online and stick with that. Don't jump from one thing to the next. You'll just waste time and money. But if you pick that one thing you want to do, make a plan to do it, and only focus on becoming successful with it, then there's nothing that can stop you. You are literally your own worst enemy here. Everything depends on what you do. Okay, lecture over. The first thing I want to talk to you about in this coaching program is website traffic. No matter what you decide to do online, you've got to have traffic. I need to straighten some things out here with you, though, before you start learning any type of traffic generation strategy. So I'll see you in the next video.